the the installation is done. Now we're going to put the oil. So according to the engineer, we are supposed to put only 90 ml. So this is the dipstick. So with the help of the dipstick, we will just measure this. So here's the just yes, and then we'll put the oil. It's just 90. So the oil grade, is if you can see here, the oil grade would be this one, 20W40. Okay, so it's 20W40, and this is a 4-stroke engine. So it's just 90 ml only. We'll put the dipstick and we'll find out how much the oil. So this much is the oil, so we can put a little bit. Here is the cut mark here, so a little bit we'll put here. Just one cock of this bottle. We'll put one more again. Alright, so we'll close the dipstick now. The oil level is this much, so alright, it's done. So according to the engineer, we can use it for 1 hour, and then after 1 hour we should keep it give rest 5 to 10 minutes. Now once it's done, we'll put the oil, we'll put the fuel gasoline here. Okay, this will do. Now once this is done, once this is done, this is very important. We need to take out this cover. Now if you can see here, there is a plug here. If there is, I'll zoom it and I'll show you. Here is the plug. Can you see this? So we need to press 5-6 times. We need to press that for 5-6 times. Now the oil has come down. See, if you can see the oil coming down. All right, this is the petrol line, so I think that is enough. Okay, now this is the air filter. We need to clean this whenever it's dirty. So close it, and then the fitting is done here, black and red. So now this is the lever. So we're going to start, and here's the choke. So I'm going to use the choke. The choke should be up. Once the engine starts, we need to put the choke down. So we'll just pull the lever. We'll pull the lever and we'll start the engine. We'll pull the lever and we'll start. So let me show you. The choke is already up. Okay, so it has started. This is a 4-stroke engine.